Happy New Year, everyone! The Novice Angler with an edge. Back out here at my house. It's hard to believe it's the first day of 2022 out here in Ohio, and it's in the mid-50s. Of course, it's been raining all day, too. I wish I was out there fishing, but anyway, today I want to talk to you about a brand that many of you probably still haven't heard of, which is Kizer. Kizer is a relatively newer company. It's a Chinese company. Yes, I know. But I do admit, probably the main thing about Kizer knives is that they definitely set the bar, or raise the bar, and changing the standards of what Chinese knife is, or what most people think it is. You know, your cheap scrap metal gas station knife. But the main thing is that I am impressed by their quality. The main thing about Kizer knives is that they have not only good quality, they have many from your Vanguard series, which is more of your budget line, which is what I have, and all the way up to your blacksmith series, which is some of your top-of-the-line knives that cost over $100, and it uses good quality materials like S35VN. Anyway, today I want to show you just some of the Kizer knives that I have, and we'll do an unboxing of the new one that I just received, which is the Kizer Swayback. Well, let's see what we have. Anyway, just want to let you guys know that we do have our own little online shop. It's filled with a bunch of original, unique t-shirts, all designed by yours truly and my wife. T-shirts like this. Anyway, go ahead and check out the link down below and see what you guys think. And thank you very much. Do appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. You guys take care. These are just some of the Kizer knives that I currently own. And yeah, Kizer, apparently they've been around since around 2011 or 12, but didn't really make an appearance in the US till around 2014 or 2015. In fact, this is the very first Kizer knife that I ever owned. First time I heard about Kizer, I was reading some knife forums, and I spotted this on eBay. The retail price at the time was anywhere from $50 to $70. I picked this up for $35, which I thought was a total steal. I mean, it's a cool looking knife. It's plus it has your Japanese VG10 on it. So at $35, I thought, wow, that is nice. I can't beat it for that much. Of course, at the time, I didn't realize why I paid so little for it. Because apparently, this shape right here is not your original blade profile. Looks like someone went to town and had a lot of fun and just on the grinder and just started grinding it away to the point where right now it's more of a spear point than what it originally came with. What it originally came with was more of a drop point. But I do admit, I like the action on it. Very smooth, silky, and I like this textured grip right here. G10 handles. The clip is pretty strong too. Yeah, I mean, it's nice, lightweight, it's slim. I used it for quite a few years, and because of the blade profile, This actually took me well over 4 hours trying to sharpen it. But it is one of the smoothest action that I've seen in a lot of the knives, especially at this price point. I'm just kind of curious. I've never actually checked out on how much it actually weighs. Let's see on how much this guy actually weighs here. Only 2.5 ounces, folks. Nice, lightweight. And by the way, each one of these knives that I'm showing you, each one of them falls within around that 7-inch mark. But yeah, that is my first Kizer knife. One of the things that I don't like about it is this huge flipper tab right here. I mean, it gets in the way. Especially when I put it in my pocket. I have my keys in my front pocket with it. And at times, my keys will actually get hung up on that huge flipper tab. But otherwise, it is an extremely smooth, lightweight pocket knife. So the next one I spotted was this guy right here. This is your Kizer Splinter. Main thing I like about that shape is more of a sort of like a Wharncliffe, maybe a sheep's foot. But again, this one has your Japanese VG10 steel. Main thing about VG10, it holds a great edge and is fairly stainless too. Slim pocket clip. And of course, I like that black and blue pattern. Very grippy. I bought this one around, I think around 2017. And yeah, again, it is an extremely smooth knife. All these knives are part of the Vanguard series. The Vanguard series is the budget line of Kizer. They have the blacksmith series, but yeah, this one at the time, I think it retails for about the same price. I believe it was between 50 to 70. I paid about $55 on it. I mean, look at it, folks. Nice. G10 handle. And the main thing about this one, not only is nice and slim, but unlike the Dukes, you have a very small, a much smaller flipper tab. And this guy, let's see how much this one actually weighs. This one is even lighter, folks. It's only 2.3 ounces. Yep. This one is the Splinter. And the main thing I like about that very thin edge profile on it is that it is a great slicer. I use this one quite a bit at work for cutting cardboard, cutting straps, and everything else. And I had zero issues with it. Around maybe in 2018, I spotted this guy right here. This is your Kizer Bad Dog. Look at that blade profile. I love the way it looks. Has that beautiful spear point on it. Very lightweight, G10. And this one is also a matte Kuchiyara design. Also VG10. I like the recurve on it. Some people don't like the recurve. I have no problem sharpening it. Runs on the ceramic ball bearings right here. And check out that green, that pattern on that handle, folks. Now this one, I use it for everything. I took this one camping, fishing. I took it to work. Another lightweight, slim pocket knife, and which this one weighs only. This one is a little bit heavier than the others. This one is at 2.7 ounces, but again, good work knife, good all-around EDC knife right here. This is the one that I want to review and check out. I just received this one. This is my latest Kizer, and let's check it out, folks. Well, unlike the others, this one doesn't come with a knife case. It comes in your standard plastic container. Ooh, that is nice. Look at the way that looks, folks. This is the Kizer Swayback. And it has good utility edge on it. Looks like it'll be good for slicing. G10 has your button lock. Very smooth. There it is, folks. The Swayback. This one is made from your N690 steel. I'm not sure. This is the very first one that I ever have. I'm not sure what you can compare it to. I know I have some knife that's M390 Bowler, but I don't know if that's a similar type of steel or not. But so far, I am impressed by this knife. It just fits right there in your hand. No hot spot. You have your little jimping right here on the top of the blade. So you can just bear down on it, and I am impressed. And this one, the designer for this is Swags. I've never heard, I think it's a her. I think it's a female knife designer for this one. Let's give it your old-fashioned paper test. Straight out of the box. Haven't did anything to it. Let's see. Oh, that is sweet. Like butter. No issues whatsoever. Let's try it on a piece of cardboard here. The nice thing about this blade shape, folks, is good for slicing. There it is, folks. And let's just try it out on this cardboard. Nice. I think I'm going to enjoy using this knife. And this one retails from anywhere from $50 to $70, I believe. I got it for about $60. One thing for sure, it is a fidgety knife. I like it. This guy right here, let's see on how much this one weighs. And that one weighs 2.5 ounces, folks. There it is. That is your Kizer Swayback. If you guys are looking around for a good quality budget knives, one thing for sure, you can't go wrong with going with the Kizer Vanguard series. Anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like and leave your comments down below, folks. Anyway, go ahead and consider subscribing. You guys take care. Talk to you later.